How to add SoundCloud songs to Spotify. Now, this whole process is very basic and very easy to follow. Of course, the very first thing that you want to do is access SoundCloud, and in here, you just have to download a specific song that you would like to be uploaded into your Spotify account. Now, to download a song on SoundCloud, you simply choose on any song that you prefer, and then you simply copy the link and then use any sources available on your end to download MP3 files using just a link. And once you've successfully downloaded SoundCloud song, all you have to do is to go into your Spotify app or via the web version. In here, simply log in into your Spotify account and then just go directly into your Spotify settings. Under Spotify settings, just simply head straight into local files and make sure that show library is ticked or enabled. And once you've successfully enabled it, you will be able to see a folder that says local if you go into your Spotify dashboard. Locate your SoundCloud song that you downloaded and add it into your Spotify playlist. And that's it. That's how you add SoundCloud songs to Spotify.